Alright, welcome back everyone. Saturday afternoon. 4:20. Not too many people down at the public area, but right here in Papa's. In front of Papa's and Clubby's. Club, I can't even talk anymore. Clubbies and Clubbies at Bombay, Club Bombay, and Papa's and all them guys. Got about ready, about the sun ready to drop right out of the clouds right here. And I wanted to give you guys a little beach video. The tide's going out nicely right now. So people have plenty of room in the afternoon to hang out at the beach and stuff. There's quite a few people out today. I'm kind of surprised. I mean, it's a beautiful, gorgeous, hot day. There was not too much wind or anything going on. So I can't imagine why everybody wouldn't want to come to the beach and get some of the last most beautiful days of this year. Beach days in this year before it turns cool. Cool. What else is new in the news? Yeah, we got a couple different things coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button or you're gonna miss out. Saw that house for sale right there inside Quintas. I probably want a few $100,000 for it. It's literally not even 1 minute to the beach. I have about 30 seconds to the beach. There's going to be like a few $100,000 to that one. You go ahead and call that number. See what kind of deal they're going to give. I remember that one right there beside it to the left was just for sale the other day. And they sold that one pretty quick. Well, they finished just fixing it and stuff and remodeling it, and I don't know what I do. Remodeling it and the stuff, and it's all finished now. But that one will be close to $500,000 because it's right there, a few steps to the beach. We can't share with you guys a lot of the different deals and stuff. There's places to, don't be discouraged when they say, you can't buy them. I know places $1,000 down, $250 a month. So it's total and no interest for 10 years. So you can't tell me there ain't good deals out there. That's $1,000 down and $250 a month. That ain't even close to what you're going to pay for a down payment or for your rent, for a security deposit, and $250 a month. You're never going to find that ever. Then of course you got to build your house, but ocean view. So yeah, there'll be a lot of different opportunities we'll share with you guys over the times. There's a lot of deals down here. The best thing is, of course, come and visit, stay the week if you're interested in living down here. Come here, stay the week, go look at the places they have, like they have little offices and stuff down and around the corner down there by Popola, over in that area. So look at that, yummy. A lot of good yummy snacks and stuff out here to nibble on during the day. So if you guys get hungry, you got those shrimp on the Barbie, big old candy stand, horse rides, a lot of people out on the pier. It's actually really warm. I mean, I'm kind of starting to sweat. Yeah, even just a t-shirt walking fast with Jack. So last night, beautiful, gorgeous sunset. Got a bunch of pictures of that. Hopefully it's going to be more beautiful tonight. I'm about ready to end this video. Walking video, beach walk video for Saturday afternoon. November 18th. Oh my goodness. 18th, 19th. It's getting up there. Usually down by the pier on beautiful late afternoons when the sun is to be setting. They will do pictures. They kind of all kinds of pictures. Quinceañera pictures, wedding pictures. I say baby pictures. You can have a baby or something. They do all that stuff. So, like one lady's gonna have a baby, the other one, like, I don't know, like just went to the mall or something. You never know. A lot of people up on the pier though, checking out these sunsets. We'll get hit of them right now. Bam! One lady pointing out Jack's little backpack. Sun's getting to be just about perfect right now. They got some kind of photo shoot going on over here. Pretty photo shoot. Hold that pose for a second or two. Ain't that the beauty right there? Beauty, beauty, beauty. Guys again for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. We're gonna cut it so we can get some pictures, more pictures of this shot right here with the pier in the background. Yeah. This girl's going out paddleboarding. I don't see anybody else out there. That's what I'm talking about. Brave girl. A lot of horse riders up in here going down this way. What a fun thing to do is come to the beach and ride horses. They're all going back over there, trailing over there where my friend goes over there where he has all his horses. But what a beautiful, fun thing to do. And hit the beach, horse ride, the horseback riding. Just amazing. Amazing beauty, amazing beach. This lady's going right out there to catch some of them waves. They don't care. That's right. See that lady's dress sparkling all the way over here. Wow. Oh, we should have went beside her. So we could get that sparkling. Well, I'll get some of it when I come up here. So she's going out there. There she goes. And she's gonna catch some waves. Hopefully you guys seen the surfing video the other day. That one guy at the red surfboard, that guy's pretty fast, pretty good. Pretty good surfer. Got your feet in the water, crystal clear blue waters. It's really nice. The water, it's been clear. So the storm drainage was pretty bad, and from my house up there, my house up there, up on the hill. It's already my house. Up on the hill, you can see the area of water that was polluted and affected. Pretty large area, big area. It was torrential downpour. Then the next day we didn't have nothing. Another torrential downpour, like in the evening time. It was really crazy. Crazy miracle. A lot of people on the pier. I already said that. There's been a lot of people staying in the hotel this weekend. Gonna cut it right here so we could get some nice photos of the sun background thing in there. Thanks you guys again for all the new subscribers. We'll see you at the beach.